Assalamu alaikum. So in this video we'll discuss how to implement the binary search algorithm. So at first we'll take the size of the array, and then we'll take a vector, and then we'll push the elements in the vector. Then we will take a target element that we want to search in the array. Then we call a function that named result. So we called a binary search function that is in the upper section. So in the binary search function we receive a vector as parameter and our target element. So then we take a left pointer from the 0 position and the right pointer from the last position of the array, and then we will run a while loop where the condition will be left less than equal right. Then in the loop we will find our mid element. The mid element will be left plus right divided by 2. Then we will check our mid position of the array, the element is equal to target or not. If the element in the mid position is equal to target, then we will return our mid. Else we will check our next two condition. The first condition will be target if target is greater than mid position element. If the target is greater than mid position element, we will update our left pointer, and the left pointer will be mid plus 1th position. Else we will update our right position, that will be mid minus 1 position. If the element is not in the array, we will return our minus 1 value. So if we take our last video example, the example is we take the array as example. So in the array we will at first we will search our 22 value. So 22 values position is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7. So if 22 is in the array, so the position our function will return is 5. So let's check our code. If we run this code, so if we run this code, and if we run this code, and then our element, the total element is 8. So 8, then we will put our elements of the array 1, 9, 13, 15, 18, 22, 35 and 40. So now we will input our target element. So our target element is 22. So our binary search function will return the position of the 22 value. So the position will be 5. So let's see what our function returns. So our function returns 5. So that's correct. 22 lies in 5th position. So if we want to search another value, that is 13. So for 13 the function will return the position 2. So if we input the array, then we will put our input targeted value. So our targeted value is 13. Let's see what it returns. So it returns 2. Then we will search a value that is not in the array. Let's see what our function returns. So here 50 is not in the array, the function should return minus 1. So our function returns minus 1. So we can say that our function is correct. So that's how we will implement our binary search.